Unfortunately, when leaders of my country at the time, Yugoslavia, were confronted by same choices, they made decisions that led us into a deep, dark valley from which I believe we are only now emerging. I know that our test of leadership today is to rebuild a society that plunged into the abyss of war and to bring Serbia into European Union. Mikhail Gorbachev can look back and with no small satisfaction and to our immense gratitude say that when tested, he confronted those challenges of leadership, steering his nation and so many others to a future that gave freedom, hope, and the prospect that peace, not war, was the real option.